third educational technology platform that I wanted to share is CommonLit. This is one that I am not as familiar with, but through my exploration, I have found a lot of ways that I feel like it could be pretty useful in the classroom. I've had an account for a while and I've used it for some things, but it's one that I haven't really explored to the fullest extent. But through exploring, I found a lot of different ways that this could be useful. So first of all, they have a curriculum for grades 6 through 12, all there for you. So if you take ninth grade English, they have all of these units that are already pre-made. They can be done either through paper or they can be done fully online through the CommonLit website. So it has digital vocabulary, digital reading assignments. It has all these different things that you can do. They have media exploration that they can do. So you can either do it through the website or through a paper copy. If you just want like a specific story, you are able to find starting with grade levels. So lowest is third grade. If you are just needing like some differentiated, texts or things like that. They also have full lessons. So this skill for this is vocabulary and language, and so you can go through that lesson. And so this seems to be awesome, not only for teachers, but also for students, as they're able to do things that are not only at their level, but are practicing skills that are standards-based and can help them to really improve their skills. As it comes to our ISTE standards, I think that for teachers, 2.1, the learner, because it's a new technology and we're exploring what others have created and we're using that to implement within our classroom, as well as 2.2, the leader, because we're seeking out these opportunities that are going to best help our students to master skills and to have new opportunities in areas that they might want to be able to explore.